My neighbor asked if I would take one of his fence panels and turn it into a gate. I said, sounds like fun. Let's do it. Alright, so we already unnailed the fence and they're falling out anyway, so I think at this point we're ready to drop the panel. Start building. So we're just going to measure, what is it, 26 and a half, 24 and a quarter. So these we all have cut down to 24 and 3/8. And we'll center out those other ones. So we are going to measure these guys out, and then we'll probably leave, let's say, a 1-inch gap, and then we'll end up cutting that out. But have you seen the prices on treated lumber? Man, 2x4 by 8 foot treated boards are like $6 a piece. Cheaper than a few years ago, but still. Alright, let's screw these ends in, and then we'll take some measurements. Since these are 8-foot panels, 4 foot is the center, so we're just going to split it 1/2 inch on each side. That'll give us a 1-inch gap. And then we can put these boards in, and that spacing. So as when I'm screwing in here, about let's say an 1/8 inch off my mark of where I want the board to be. And that's because when I screw it in, it's going to pull it roughly about that same every time. Since I'm working by myself, I'm going to hang this as one piece, put up our hinges, and then cut it down the middle. After we have it hung though, we're going to add in some triangulation to keep it from twisting. The reason that we're not doing it right now is that you know, the fence panel could shift a little bit, so we don't want to lock it in before we know it fits up there. So let's put this up. So now we have the panel back in place. You can see we just shimmed it up with some 2x4s and just spaced it out, and then just have bungee cords at the top to keep it from falling on us for the time being. I'm gonna line that up with the 2x4. Leave, yep. Pin side goes up. crap walked away on us a bit. We'll put a different hole in. Perfect. All right, one hinge down, 3 more to go. So now with the gate hung just by the hinges, we can hang in our crossbars now. These will go something like that. Well, we cut that one a little short, but it should be fine. It's now in the corner. Alright, the reason that we chose to go with our angles going this way is we have stakes that stick into the ground to keep the panels from flopping, and it'll be a lot easier to hang them without these things in the way. So they'll end up going right here. That's the reason that they go that way. So I think at this point we can go to the other side and cut these crossbars here. These 2 center pickets are overhanging at my seam, so I'm going to pop these guys off. And then we'll just trim them down to fit later. Alright, here it goes. One down. Last one. How about that? We got ourselves a gate. So I did cut down these edges on the bandsaw just to remove that inch from the center. Man, are these things twisted in every possible direction. Alright, so then I can hang the latch here and sure, that looks ADA compliant. Sure, that's fine. Well, I take that back. This actually needs to be on one of these crossbars. So this does matter where you put it, apparently. So we'll drop this down and fix it, I guess. Alright, last thing to do is hang these stoppers here. So I got one screw in each make sure they're lined up good enough. And we pop them back out. And drive in the last screw. Alright, I think we're done. Let's test it out. It latches. I think what I'm going to do is drill out these two holes though. Maybe put some PVC or something in there. But yeah. Holes. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it turned out pretty good, and hopefully my neighbor will be happy with it. We'll see when he sees. I know this isn't traditionally the kind of projects that we work on, but we're still making stuff, and my name's still Chris, so I think it fits on the channel. But till next time, take care.